Good day to all. Welcome to another episode of SG Doctor Wellness. Coach Alvin here, and it is great to see you again. Protein intake forms the foundation of muscle building and is closely associated with a rich intake of meat. However, good protein sources are not only reserved exclusively for carnivores, but there is an extensive variety of plant-based proteins that can satisfy both meat and non-meat lovers alike. Well, as the saying goes, you don't have to eat like a T-Rex to be as strong as a bull. Okay, I made that up, but you get my point. Before I share the list of meat alternatives that can give you a significant protein boost to your diet, give us a giant T-Rex support by dino smashing the subscribe button now. The typical recommended protein intake for an average person is about 0.8 grams of protein per kg of body weight. That means if you are 70 kgs, you should be looking at consuming 56 grams of protein from your meals daily. Those looking to build muscles or are into endurance sports will definitely need to put more protein on their plate. We have a detailed list on the link above and also in the description. So now, on to the list of recommended high-protein plant-based food sources to help you pack on some lean and mean muscles. Firstly will be soy-based products such as soybeans or soy milk. 1 cup of soybean can get you about 31 grams of protein, while soy milk contains about 11 grams per glass. While the brand of soy milk is not particularly important, the one thing that matters the most is the sugar level in each soy milk serving. Some variations can have sugar content as high as soft drinks, so do go for less sugared or even best, unsweetened versions. Another popular soy-based food source will be tofu. These soft, jiggly cubes of goodness can contain up to 20 grams of protein per cup. They are a versatile ingredient that can be used for steaming, stewing, or also in soup. Tempeh, which is usually made from whole soybeans, contain about 31 grams of protein per cup and can have a higher fiber content than tofu. It can serve up as a great side dish or even air-fried to make a crispy and nutritious snack. Next will be nuts, in particular cashews, pistachios, and almonds, which can contain between 21 to 29 grams of protein per cup. Other than eating them as it is, I personally blend a mixture of baked cashews and peanuts into paste and spread it over my wholemeal bread for the extra protein punch, less the salt and vegetable oils you would usually see in typical supermarket peanut butter spreads. Legumes such as black beans, chickpeas, lentils, edamame contain more than 15 grams of protein per cup. Legumes make great additions to soup, and the dish can even be made more nutritious by adding carrots and vegetables. Next will be seeds, such as sunflower seeds, flax seeds, and chia seeds. Per cup, they contain a whopping 30 grams of protein and is very high in fiber. They can be used as baking ingredients, sprinkled over cereal, yogurt, or salads, and can be even added to smoothies. So just when you thought that vegetables are only high in fiber but lack protein, well, you're half right. There are vegetables which do have a higher protein content than other greens, but generally, vegetables typically have a weaker protein profile when compared to other plant-based sources I mentioned above. Broccoli, Popeye's favorite, spinach, asparagus, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower contain about 1 to 3 grams of protein per cup, but nonetheless, they are a rich source of fiber, minerals, and vitamins, which makes any meal nutritious and wholesome. Last but not the least will be carbohydrate sources. So whole grains such as quinoa, brown or red rice, and oatmeal serve up as great sources of protein, between 5 to 8 grams per cup. Alright, my protein-loving audience, we have come to the end of the episode and hope we have given you a better insight into the non-meat alternatives you can consider to get that protein boost in every meal and snack. Till the next time, stay safe and stay healthy.